go in the cave, and then we'll have no wind. How about that? Dun, dun, dun. There's a cave. Ooh, those old bluebells all over the ground here.
Wow.
Those are little jellyfish. That sting.
Hmm?
All my hopes and dreams have been met. The rain is going away and the sun is coming out. Well, that was pretty cool. They even have a little walkway here. Madeline's tired. Yesterday was a hike. I'm tired too. Madeline is burnt out. That's okay. I'm gonna go over here, see what's over here. Oh look, this is sweet. So I came out here before and the tide was too high. This was all covered up. So it's like day 6. And something about being in a different country and being like vacation. You know, we've done like 4 days of racing stuff. Yesterday was our really first day of just going out. We kind of overdid it and hiked to this giant. It was every bit of like 40 minutes down the hill and an hour out of that place. My legs are on fire. And it's kind of cold today. But, and we got to go do maintenance still. It hurt the rear end, so I got to put a rear end in it tonight. They went and got the rear end. And so it's Tuesday. I think they're like 19 hours ahead or something. My hoodie looks funny. But yeah, it's been really fun. We've been kind of semi having a hard time finding like places to eat. You know, when you're driving on the wrong side of the road, the entrances are also on the opposite side. And like, you wouldn't think that'd be confusing, but your boys all turned around, especially when I'm tired. As long as the wind stays down, we don't get sandblasted here. It sure can be toesies. That's like a good 20-foot drop. How about that? It's got a walkway across. Okay, these water shoes were the best buy I've made so far since we're hiking around on shells and stuff. I also got these. These are like 50 UV ray blocking, like little thin hoodies, and they're easy to pack. Threw them in my backpack, my Boy Scout backpack. Then when you're at the beach and you need something, you got it. Along with some water, some snacks, first aid kit, a knife. What else do we got? We got a hammock. A little cooler, a little 9-can cooler, and yeah, all my camera stuff. I haven't been doing a whole lot of camera stuff because yesterday my camera shut off as we went down the hill, and then my GoPro overheated because we were on these black sand beaches. Well, the black sand beaches, you need shoe protection, that's for sure. Also, when you're on the beach here in New Zealand, Australia, they have these flags. That is the safest current to swim in, and that's where you need to swim because the beaches and water here are crazy. They will drag you out into the ocean, and you better hope you can swim really well. It's not windy, is it? The beginning of our walk, and it's already beautiful. So I did a little research on our trip. Since last time I came here I didn't, and I learned from my experience that I need to know where I'm gonna go and kind of plan it ahead the night before. So we went downtown, cruised around, did a little shopping, and now we are cruising down to a more secluded beach that you kind of got to make a hike to. Take a hike to. And look, it has all these pretty sounds.
Hurt, pain, all because of you.
Not because of me. There was a hole in the walkway.
And if you wait here about 5 hours, my ankle is gonna be as big as a grapefruit. That's also gonna be your fault.
Uh-oh.
What?
We still have a long way to go. We're getting closer. Check out that. That's awesome. Hopefully the lighting's letting it work. I haven't quite figured out this camera. Finally got to some sand. Are you ready for a break? You're taking a nap? I'm ready for a nap too. Quite the hike out here. It said 35 minutes, but it's been probably more than that. Well, we made it from our walk to our very own little spot. Black sand beaches. Sun tucked away for a second. Well, what do you think of New Zealand?
It is pretty. A lot of walking that you make me do.
A lot of walking. We just hiked like 40 minutes downhill. It's gonna be pretty brutal to get out of here.
I broke my ankle, just so you know.
She stepped in a hole in some grass.
No. Something came out and grabbed me. I fell. Spilled my drink everywhere.
You spilled your drinky?
And I got grass stain on my brand new Uggs.
Brand new Uggs.
Uggs are not the ideal hiking shoe. She wanted to know.
You think the grass will come off?
You know who my dad is?
Okay.
He gets anything off.
So it's Monday. We did maintenance yesterday. Right front shock broke on Saturday, and it had a crack in the rear end, so we yanked the rear end out of it yesterday. We got a day off today. Went downtown, did some like sightseeing. Now we're at the beach. I thought we were gonna watch sunset, but we got quite a hike out of here, so we might not totally see the sunset before we should leave. I guess I got some flashlights. Are you ready for that? Flashlight and that out of here.
I guess so.
Hopefully not.
Have a choice with you? No, I don't.
Why not? We have to climb all the way up there. Walking, climbing, same difference. Thank God I'm a Boy Scout. We're about halfway up the hill. It's getting dark. You gotta be prepared. We got a bunch of water, got some snacks. I even got something to make a fire in case it got cold. Madeline's not down for that, so.
This is what I had to hike in today. This is what I broke my ankle in today. And he still makes me walk.